3, 2, 1.
Soren is a fictional character depicted in which book? The answer is A, The Capture. Sean Connery, George Lazenby, Roger Moore, Timothy Dalton, and Pierce Brosnan have all played the role of a fictional British spy. Who was that character? The answer is B, James Bond. What year was the movie Lucky No. 11 released to theaters? The answer is D, 2006. What is tall and has a flat top for work, but doesn't have a chair attached to it? The answer is B, dining table. The Nile is the longest river in which continent?
The answer is B, Africa.
Which city is known as the City of Canals? The answer is A, Venice. Which vehicle was the first to reach the moon? The answer is B, Apollo Lunar Module. Which spice is known as the king of spices? The answer is D, cinnamon. Which of the following is the most efficient way to transport large amounts of coal from a mine in Kentucky to a power plant in Arizona? The answer is B, by train. What type of solid has atoms arranged in a repeating pattern? The answer is C, crystals. The following lyrics are from which song by Carbon Leaf? The answer is D, One Day. Metabolism is controlled by regulation of what? The answer is D, enzyme activity. The world's first international football match was played in 1872 between the national teams of Scotland and which country? The answer is B, England. What stays in a corner without painting it red? The answer is D, corner table. Which building is known for its deconstructed design? The answer is C, Eiffel Tower. In 1999, the reigning world champion Michelle Kwan lost to a Russian who became the first woman from her country to win a figure skating world championship. Who is she? The answer is C, Maria Budiaskaya. What happens if a catalyst runs out? The answer is D, reaction slows. Which would most help pollinators find flowers that are pollinated at night? The answer is D, fragrance. In 2005, New York City, Chicago, and Los Angeles were respectively the first, second, and third most populous cities in America. Which city was fourth? The answer is B, Houston. What tool has a handle and a blade? The answer is A. Hammer. Which characters drink tea together with the March Hare at the Neverending Tea Party in Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? The answer is A. The Dormouse and the Mad Hatter. Which one of these animals does not lay eggs? The answer is B. Dogs. Like simple hormone pathways, hormone cascade pathways typically involve what kind of feedback? The answer is B. Negative. How much time did the astronauts from Apollo 11 spend on the lunar surface? The answer is B. 2.5 hours. Which of these waves have the highest wavelength? The answer is D. Radio waves. Which scientist developed the theory of germs and diseases? The answer is A. Louis Pasteur. What does the thymus gland produce? The answer is D. T cells. Which team won the 2016 FIFA World Cup? The answer is B. Germany. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. What is the largest? The answer is B. Pacific. Who directed the film The Dark Knight? The answer is A. Christopher Nolan. What is the most consumed food worldwide? The answer is A. Rice. Which gas is used in MRI scans? The answer is C. Helium. What was the name of the city that served as South Carolina's capital until 1790? The answer is C. Charleston. Who was the first mate of the fictional USS Stingray, commanded by Lieutenant Commander Thomas Dodge? The answer is C. Martin T. Hasville. Which scientist discovered radioactivity? The answer is C. Einstein. What type of clothing was originally designed to protect knights in battle? The answer is A. Armor. What type of Pokémon is Tyranitar? The answer is A. Rock Dark. If a mistake is made by DNA polymerase while adding nucleotides, incorrect bases are removed and replaced by the correct base, and the process of what continues? The answer is C. Polymerization. What is the term for the gravitational force exerted by a rotating body? The answer is A. Centrifugal force. I directed The Godfather, but didn't play a role. Who am I? The answer is C, director. What is the tall, narrow piece of furniture used for storage and often has shelves or drawers called? The answer is B, chess. Who developed the first graphical user interface GUI? The answer is A, Bill Gates. What process involves the breakdown of glucose to produce ATP? The answer is B, respiration. Which cell function is most directly dependent on the cytoskeleton? The answer is A, transport of material inside the cell. What is the process of turning solid food into nutrients called? The answer is B, digestion. What type of energy is the energy of moving matter?
The answer is C, kinetic energy.
What is a large wooden table used for dining? The answer is D, dining table. Which ocean contains the Galapagos Islands? The answer is D, Arctic Ocean. What was the delivery guy's name on Scrubs? The answer is D, Lloyd. In Minecraft, what does Ender Pearl do?